to improve your English, but between work, family, and daily responsibilities, it feels impossible, right? You've downloaded the apps, watched the YouTube videos, maybe even bought a course, but you still don't feel fluent. The truth is, you don't need more time. You need better habits. Today's episode is for every busy learner out there who wants real progress with just a few minutes a day. Welcome to English Express, the podcast that helps you speak better English one conversation at a time. I'm your host, Kosal, and today we're diving into a powerful topic: daily English for busy people, simple habits that work. If you're juggling a job, school, parenting, or all three, you can still make progress. And today we're going to show you how. And I'm not alone. I'm joined by someone who knows all about learning under pressure. Meet Jack Kim, a bilingual English learner who's now a productivity coach helping busy professionals around the world make time for personal growth, including language learning.
Thanks so much for having me. I've been on both sides, as someone struggling to learn English and someone coaching others through it. I'm excited to share habits that actually work, even if you only have 10 minutes a day.
Let's start with the big one. Why do so many people want to learn English but never seem to move forward?
Because they wait for free time, and that never comes. We fill our time with work, notifications, social media. The key isn't finding more time, it's building habits into the time you already have.
Exactly. It's not about studying for 2 hours a day. It's about consistency. Can you share a real story of someone who succeeded with just a few minutes a day?
Yes, one of my clients, Anna from Brazil, had a full-time job and 2 kids. She started with just 5 minutes every morning. She listened to English podcasts while brushing her teeth. After a month, she added 5 minutes of journaling in English. Fast forward 6 months, she was confidently holding Zoom meetings in English. She never studied for an hour, she just showed up daily.
Wow, that's powerful. Small steps, repeated daily, create big changes. Let's get into it. What are 5 simple habits anyone can start today?
Here's my go-to list. Micro-listening, 5-minute English podcast episodes during your commute or coffee break. Speak to yourself. Describe what you're doing. I'm washing dishes. The water is warm. Simple. 1-sentence journal. Write 1 sentence in English each night. Doesn't have to be perfect. Sticky note vocabulary. Place English words around your home or desk. Passive learning adds up. Habit stacking. Attach English to a habit you already have, like brushing your teeth plus podcast. These habits are small, but they stack.
What's a myth about English learning that holds people back?
That you need long study sessions. People think, if I don't have an hour, it's not worth it. That's false. 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. The brain learns by repetition, not marathon sessions.
Let's talk mindset. What should learners remember when they feel too busy or tired?
Ask yourself, can I do just one small thing today? Not a lesson, not a chapter, just one phrase, 1 sentence, 1 listen. Progress doesn't come from perfection. It comes from showing up, even on messy, tired days.
Let's break it down for our listeners. You don't need more time. You need better habits. Start with small actions. Listen, speak, write, label, even for 5 minutes. Attach English to daily routines. Progress comes from daily effort, not perfect study sessions. Your mindset matters. Don't aim for perfect, aim for daily. So, to everyone listening, you can learn English, even with a busy life. Jack, this was incredibly helpful. Thank you for showing us that fluency isn't about time, it's about intention.
Thanks for having me. I hope it helps someone start small and keep going.
If today's episode gave you that little spark of motivation, don't let it fade. Start your first habit today, maybe right after this episode. And if you found this valuable, please follow this podcast, share it with a fellow English learner, leave us a quick review. It helps others find this content. You're not too busy. You're ready. I'm Kosal, and this was English Express. See you next time, and remember, small steps every day.